Yeah, that's why when I told them last time when we were eating, like whoever got my, and it was the major gift that I asked also. So I told them whoever got my name, I wanted an earbuds, a Bluetooth earbuds. So, I am so happy for myself. Thank you, Elva. Thank you, Elva. This is iPhone. Maybe it is like, you know, a fake one, but who cares? I know it's not. It's not an iPhone. The box is the only thing. It's just a box. For the hair. I was disappointed. Well, this is costs only like 5 dirhams. So what do you expect with it? Well, it is soft. At least. I was excited. The box was iPhone. So this one is from Michelle. This is something. What is it? I forgot about it. I don't know. There is no label. So we'll open it. You can see it, right? She said she took all of our like boxes in the office so that she can wrap it. Shucks, I am being attacked. Which one was being attacked? Maybe my farm? This is a lot of boxes. What are you doing? Something red. I have a lot of these. So this is from Jenny. Something sticky. I think I know what it is. It's a makeup maybe. It could be. No, our rule is no food. It should be something like, you know, a thing. No food. So here it goes. So I got two from, yeah, I got two from Jenny, I got two from Lizelle, and one from Elva. Something sticky. You cannot see it. It's a toothpaste. Something useful. You can read. Yeah, I mean I cannot even read it properly also. Anyway, what could be the useful one? This is such a funny thing. The shoebox. Wow, how they are like putting this one. Okay. A very big shoebox, and it will be a lot of newspapers only. It's from Kids. What is that? A gift, and then a gift is inside. What is this? Oh, it's cute. This is much better. I like it. Thanks, Jen. It's a chest. Yeah, and there is also like a key. Ah.